going the extra mile.
Wonderwall Studios is a creative studio that designs and produces wood panels for walls and other surfaces. Since our start back in 2010, we've always gone the extra mile to find the best and most beautiful reclaimed woods. And it's this dedication that's taken us throughout Southeast Asia, and now it takes us deep into Eastern Europe. Here, beneath the water surface deep in the mud, lies bog oak. Bog oak is hard to extract, but finding it isn't easy either. But thankfully, we've got Ivan. Before Ivan's dive, we've already spent weeks searching for the right location. We've weathered storms, slogged through the mud, and battled against driving rains. But we've also shook many warm hands, met some fantastic people, tough guys, rough diamonds, you know. Our blood flows and heartbeats quicken. Yeah, there's much ado when it comes to bog oak. Anything buried in bog or peat stays preserved due to the absence of oxygen. During the decades, centuries and millennia, the wood has sunk even deeper into the black mud. When it's deprived of oxygen, the oak mummifies and is protected from decay. And at the same time, it's enriched and coloured by acids and minerals. There aren't any shortcuts or quick fixes. This process takes time. Time will not be cheated. It takes extreme craftsmanship to work bog oak and translate those exclusive designs we've thought up to a centuries-old piece of wood. The craftsmen here know how to treat bog oak. Working with guys like these not only keeps us on our toes, but we just love working with them. New materials and designs always inspire us. And the bog oak we found here is no different. For us, it's just another reason to always go the extra mile.